that's why you understand I got my pants tucked in, because now I'm in the stick stuff. I got a lot of stuff to trim, and I got these specialized tools. All right, friends, so check this out. This is a Fiskars Tree and Shrub Care 3-piece set. And now you notice, I got this thing growing in the bushes, but you just can't get in there and easily get it unless you got something that's a long reach. So I'll just show you. All right, that. So let's start out with this thing. This is the it's good for 1.5 inches or 3.8 centimeters. Put that there, and it's got a little protective pouch. All right, hang on to that. Now, I'm always prepared for being outside working in the yard, so I got, you know, sunblock with a hat, glasses, so you don't get cataracts, long sleeve shirt. Don't like tan lines. I got my socks tucked in, my pants tucked in, because you don't want ticks. Here in Wisconsin, you can get ticks, but this is, you can do this. Way in there. And takes care of that. Okay? And makes that disappear. There. So look at the carnage from this thing. All right, let's try the next thing, which is the, oops, I guess this will be the next thing right here. This is a non-slip grip, power tooth, razor sharp, triple ground teeth. It's a 7-inch blade or 17.7 centimeters. So it's good for tree branching. And it is sharp, so be careful. Here, see the, there. Okay. Okay, look at that. Which other one? All right, this one. All right. Okay, now to put this away, pull this up, close this like that, close this down in your back pocket, and then we'll just use the other tool. Okay, this tool right here. See, the bad thing about doing yard work, doing all this, someone's got to clean it up. Use this to get in there and reach further into the thick, like here. Okay? And these have thorns. You gotta be careful. These have thorns. Alright? These over here. And anything else that can get you. Oh, now we're really getting into it. Okay, where else? Cameraman's telling me where to trim because he's got to cut the branches or the grass. Right here? Mm-hmm. This one?
Yep.
This one?
Mm-hmm.
This one? How's that?
Good.
Okay. How about this one? Keep that one. All right. So that's this thing here. Okay. Along with this thing here. Next thing is you got to make them smaller sometimes. So we want to use this. This is a non-stick blade coating, non-slip grip, cuts cleanly, coupe-net, whatever that means. Cuts cleanly, coupe-net, coupe-net. And let's see, it's got lifetime warranty and a cutting capacity 16 millimeter or 5/8. All right, let's make these smaller. Be careful of the thorns. Look at the thorns. Right, you don't want to step on those. But it trims it up nicely. And you can stick it inside your yard waste bag. Okay. That. There. And if you want to get into the garden area, show you something else. Okay. And look, easily close it up and lock it. You push this lever down. It's locked. So one thing I can do is just demonstrate what this thing will do. That, because that is not needed. So that's gonna get trimmed out. Done. And then this tree right here. Right. Okay. Whew. That's done. These are prickly. And I don't want to get into the prickly stuff, so I'll keep my distance with this. That one. That one. That one. That one. You never know what's crawling. Spiders, ants, ticks. There's different types of ticks, but you want to be careful of the Lyme disease ticks. Wood ticks, deer ticks. Good, it helps you practice your aim. Because you go like this. And just like that, I just destroyed a colony of weeds. Now, is that poison ivy? Look at this. Okay. It's got that. Leaves of 3. Okay. But it has serrated edges and it has thorns. So this is most likely raspberry because it has the thorns here. It could freak you out and think that it's poison ivy, but it has thorns. And poison ivy is smooth. It doesn't have serrated teeth, edges on the leaves. So don't need to panic on that one. Pull that up like that. Blade out, lock it down, then saw something. So let's just saw. Eventually these gotta be smaller, so we could just saw it. Now this would be dangerous because I could accidentally cut myself. I won't be over here. Remember, safety in the woods, in the yard, because people using this stuff's got to go to work on Monday. You won't be hurt because you gassed yourself. So the way to close it again is that one, that way, lock it. These are the tools, and have a great day, everyone, and stay safe out there when you're trimming up in your backyard and you got a bunch of overgrowth that needs to be taken care of. Have a great day. Thank you.